basket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my mommy. On the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girlie picked it up and put it in her pocket. She went trucking on down the avenue, but not a single thing to do. She went packing all around. When she spotted on the ground, she took it, my little yellow basket. And if she doesn't bring it back, I think that I will die. Don't return it, don't know what I'd do. Oh dear, I wonder where my basket can be.
Suddenly, 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 suddenly.
Oh dear, I wish that little girl I could see.
Suddenly, 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 suddenly.
Oh, why was I so careless with the basket of mine? That itty bitty basket was a joy of mine. A tisket, a tasket. I lost my yellow basket. Won't someone help me find my basket? Make me happy again, again.
Was it green?